Hello and welcome back to Glam Queen of Décor. And if you're new here, welcome. And in today's video, I am going to be showing you a fall into winter room tour. Now, if that sounds interesting, stay tuned. But remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright family, let's get into this fall into winter room tour. Alright family, my room tour for this video today is actually showcasing my kitchen. And as you can see, I am going more with my gray palette mixed in with my hues of orange. Now I'm going to just do a pan around, let you see what we have created in the space, and I'm going to come back and give you some more details because this video is actually part of a collaboration. Now again family, this video is part of a collaboration, and it is a collaboration with Design and Style with Stacy, myself, the Glam Queen of Décor, Sandra from Levels of Style with Sandra, Shangie from Shangie's Home Decor and Lifestyle, and Candy with Tablescapes by Candy. Please make sure you go over and check out these wonderful ladies' videos. I'm dropping their links in my description box. All of us ladies do feature home decor and tablescapes, so please make sure you check out their channels. And if you're not a family member, go ahead and hit that subscribe. Let them know that the Glam Queen of Décor sent you over. Alright, now let's get right back into this glam falling into winter kitchen tour.